Hello. Sometimes practicing intensive sport or prolonged standing, flat feet and above all overweight may contribute to the development of calcaneal spur associated with unbearable heel pain. Find out more. What is a calcaneal spur? A calcaneal spur is caused by excessive tension on the plantar fascia, the tendon which connects the heel to the forefoot. To defend itself and reduce tension which spreads to the tendon, the body produces a bony outgrowth on the heel, the calcaneal spur. Many people think that the spur itself is the source of the pain, but it is untrue. The pain is caused by the inflammation of the tendon. What is the Epitact pain relief solution? Objective number 1. Minimizing tension of the plantar fascia. Epitact suggests raising the heel by 5 mm in order to reduce tension of the plantar fascia. Therefore, the inflammation is decreasing. Objective number 2. Absorbing shocks. Unlike other gel heel pads, Physio Shock has remarkable shock absorption properties. It is ideal to relieve the inflamed tendon when walking. To provide relief to your customers, suggest heel lifts with Physio Shock. A double-sided adhesive shall keep them in place in the shoes, a lifespan of several months. They are sold in pairs and are available in 2 sizes, men or women. Due to their effectiveness and long lifespan, Epitact heel lifts offer excellent value for money.